everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you. Actually, it's very exciting for me. I hope it's enjoyable for you to watch this. But I just picked up yesterday the 22K Chanel bag. This is a bag that I have been waiting, I think, at least a year. And I've mentioned it as one of my luxury wish list at the beginning of this year, and I finally got it. So let me tell you a little bit of background, but actually, let me go open it. Oh my God! I have not opened it since my sales associate packaged it up for me, and I didn't have enough time to inspect it really fully when I went to pick it up because I was in a rush. As I'm opening this, I'm gonna tell you the background story. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I do videos on luxury bags, lifestyle, and travel. And anyway, back to the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm shaking because here it is. And I'm gonna unbox it like this. My SA texted me last Friday. They said on the 13th, which was yesterday, Tuesday, that they were going to release the 22K. And I know that they have not had this in a long, long time. I've been checking since about a year for this item and nothing, right? They had it in a color that I did not want. So here's the receipt. I saw this several years ago. My sister was gonna get it, and she opted not to get it. And since then, I thought this would be great for travel. Oh my God! I got there before the store opened because he told me that, get here early because there's no guarantee. They can't hold any bags for you. So he said. They had I think 3 that came in, but they couldn't release it before, over the weekend. They had to wait until the release date. So I literally went in and I got there before the store opened and was the first person to get in. And as soon as I went in, I noticed people lining up. And when I came out, people were lining up. So I don't know what people are saying about whether the popularity of luxury is down or... Whew. Okay. It's the Chanel Reissue Mini. I know it's 22K, and this is Reissue Mini, obviously has been around for a long, long time, but they do not release this all the time. It comes with dust bag, the booklet, and oh my God. Okay, so here's the backstory. I told the 2 Chanel store essays that I want the Chanel Reissue Mini. 1, it's much cheaper than the classic reissue. 2 is that I have the classic 226 and I always have trouble with the clasp. Now, I know Irene with Fabulous Irene also has a Reissue Mini, and she seems to love it. And I know she also has a problem with this clasp with her classic reissue. So I thought maybe this would be okay. I love the chevron quilting versus, I think it's a little more edgy. I don't know. The classic quilt versus the chevron quilt. I like the chevron quilt, and the So Black, I know it's about $300 more expensive. This is $4,700 versus $4,400 for regular gold quilted or ruthenium hardware. I've seen the regular in pink last season, and it wasn't the colors that I wanted. I wanted the classic black. I wanted to be able to wear it with, whatever. I wanted to be able to wear it crossbody, over the shoulder. And I looked at resale market as well. And the resale market, these were going in Fashion Fall. I think I saw it for over 6,000. I saw it in Rebags for something around 5,000 something. Even with their discount, sometimes it was going to be so close to retail. I didn't want to pay either retail price or higher than retail price, certainly. And of course, I knew that by waiting, they might increase the price. So I was taking a gamble that they wouldn't increase the price, and thank God they didn't. But it's a bag, it's a bag. So I was like, if it doesn't work out, if I don't get it, it was never meant to be. Oh my God. All right, so there is the plate right here, and I know that I have the QR code to register for 5-year manufacturer defect sort of. When I purchased the bag, my essay showed me the QR code, which I scanned. Then a screen popped up in a few seconds where I was able to type in my name, email address, and the serial number of the bag. Then a screen popped up again with my name and the name of the bag, but the dates were not filled in. And the following day, I got this email with Chanel et Moi, where I was able to click into this little Discover link. And once I clicked on the link, I was able to see the name of the bag, serial number, and date of purchase and expiration date of the warranty. Sometimes there's indentations and stuff with aged calfskin, but this is in fantastic condition. I have also heard people complaining that the stitching sometimes is done like they pull it too hard, and who was it? Classics with a Quirk had a reissue mini where they've done the stitching so tightly that it almost made like, it looks like it's gonna tear kind of situation. But this one looks fantastic. I'm so glad. Wow, this is really durable feeling. This is very tough feeling. I'm very surprised. I feel like this is, yeah, the leather seems really tough, really sort of robust. I'm so surprised because it feels more robust than my current reissue 226. Anyway, let me show you. Put it right there. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm gonna show you and compare. I brought up this is mini with handle that I got earlier this year. They're about the same size, I think. This is not a comparison video. This is just a unboxing video. But the comparison that I've seen of the mini to the reissue, it seems like the reissue fits a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. So this is gonna be what it's gonna look like that, which is great. That's great. Let me show you how it compares. I told you, I just got through telling you that this is not a comparison video, and here I am. I can't help myself. I feel like they're about the same. What do you think? Yeah, maybe slightly higher for this one, but it's, you know, at 5'2", this is pretty good. I actually love it. Yeah, it's slightly higher, right? But the difference between this and this is that I can now wear it over the shoulder. And I wore a white jean jacket so you can see against the black. Like that. So if I'm traveling, I can just take this one bag and use it as a day, evening, and I think previous years, there were some reports that the chain, the black chain could chip, but I don't think that's been a problem recently. And in any case, if there's any chipping, which, you know, within the next 5 years, they will take care of me, I'm sure, because that would be a defect. But the quilting, everything seems to line up really well. I'm gonna undo this because there's a little bit of bubble right here. I don't want the sticker to create a problem later. Okay. Ooh, oh my God, look at this. All right, it's because you never want to have a sticker with a bubble underneath it. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. All right, how about the one underneath it? There's a bubble right here. I don't want the bubble to create problems later, so here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny and beautiful. Guys, and then let's just make sure that my phone fits. Oh, plenty. My phone fits without any issues. Let's see if my I have a Zoe wallet and a card case. Let's see if that fits. Yep. Yep. No, I don't know that I can fit glasses in here. Probably not. It seems like it's not so much. This part here is very soft because it's supposed to be able to bend. So you see the wrinkles right here? Yeah, I think that's just part of this bag. But I don't mind. It doesn't have to be straight. I'm perfectly fine with it the way it's supposed to be. By the way, the other 22K, there's a lot of tweed, and I wasn't interested in anything else. I was really looking for something that's classic, that's gonna be around for a long time. I don't know, you know, the color khaki that they had, I wasn't really into that color. There was like a brown color that they had. It was okay. But as far as the other styles, there's some cute ones, but they're very similar in price to the reissue mini that I have. And I felt like, I know for certain that this is gonna be around for a long time because it has been around for a long time. I just wasn't sure with the current ones that are out what the longevity is. And as much as we don't want to say that we buy things for resale value, it hurts a lot when when you buy something and then realize that it plummeted in price. No, but this is something that I've wanted for a long time. Tell me, what do you guys think about the 22K? Would you buy, or is there anything in 22K that you're really interested in? Or would you go with something that's more classic, like the minis or the reissues that you know the style has been around for a really long time? There are other mini bags that are really cute, but I didn't have a chance, I didn't have time to look at them. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for spending the time with me as I unbox this wish list item that I've had for a long time. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. If you want to see a comparison between my mini with handle and the mini reissue, I am happy to do so. I want to be able to wear this a little bit more, and so that I can get an idea of how I like this piece. But I would love to know what you guys think about the current collection. I would love to know what you think about whether with the prices that Chanel has and the reports of some quality issues that they've been having, whether you are done with Chanel or whether you are like me, kind of still wishing for some of the items, or have your eye on some of the items. Anyway, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, clicking the bell notifications so that you'd be notified every time I upload more videos. Thanks guys, bye.